Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a severely beaten down small cap where Porinju Veliyath's Equity Intelligence has increased its stake from 4.89% to 5.02%. Now friends, we also run a couple of very successful Telegram groups and channels where we have successfully outperformed the markets. If you want to go ahead and join the channel, please go ahead and open a completely free Demat and trading account through the link provided in the pinned comment or in the description of the video. You will also be entitled to about 28,000 rupees worth of subscriptions on websites like Advisory Mandi, Tavaga, etc. You can also choose to become a YouTube channel member or become a patron on Patreon. The link for all of these is provided in the description of the video. Please watch this video to know more about this stock. Now the company in question is Kumar Infra Projects Limited, which is available at rupees 127.50 and the face value for it is 5. The symbol for it is JKIL. Now Kumar Infra Projects Limited is engaged in construction activities and it also designs and constructs roads, bridges, flyovers, subways, overbridges, skywalks and railway terminuses and stations among others. The company's offerings in civil construction segment include office and commercial buildings, sports complexes and swimming pools. Now as is evident from the 1-year chart, this company literally fell off a cliff towards the initial part of the year but since then has been consolidating. The market cap of the company is 964.74 crores, which means that this company is a tiny small cap. The EPS of 23.50 translates into a very cheap price to earnings ratio of 5.43, which is dirt cheap when compared with the industry price to earnings ratio of 20.95. Price to book ratio of 0.58 is also very cheap. The company has a debt to equity of 0.4177, which is not alarming, and the return on equity here is a slightly subdued figure at 0.0919. The dividend yield is decent at 1.76%, whereas the promoter holding is 44.13%. Also, 23.96% of the promoter's holding is pledged, and this is a slight cause of concern. Now friends, this company also has a reputation for having execution issues, so we might want to be careful going forward. Friends, this is not our own research. We'll be providing a link to the source for this video in the description section. Friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended only to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.